Solo Faness. 5150 Faness guy. 4200. Faness gang. Money on my mind, money on my mind, yeah. Money on my mind, money on my mind, yeah. Money on my mind, money on my mind, yeah. All I do is grind, yeah. All I do is shine, yeah. Money on my mind, money on my mind, yeah. Money on my mind, money on my mind, yeah. Money on my mind, money on my mind, yeah. All I do is grind, yeah. All I do is shine, yeah. Straight up out the mud, I'm showing no love, yeah.
What's up with the YouTube? Back with another video, man. So I done pulled up over here to my cousin's crib, you know what I'm saying? The nigga done went and got him some goddamn, see what that is. Don't be trying to, look, I thought you were trying to run away from the camera. He got the four-wheeler right there, you know what I'm saying? Got the dirt bike. I think the only thing I really know how to ride is that four-wheeler right there. I don't really can't fuck with this shit. You gotta what? Do the carburetor or something on it? Air it up or something? You gotta air it up. Yeah, man, I don't know. I think I might try to jump on that mud, man. I ain't trying to embarrass myself though, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to take it slow. It's a little bit, yeah. But we gonna see though, you know what I'm saying? I'll get back with y'all in a minute. I'm gonna turn the camera back on in just a second. Y'all never mind that. Baby don't spit up. Y'all know how he rock. Little spit up.
Yeah.
Take her for a ride.
Can we both spit?
It should be. That's what that back there for.
Huh?
You should get back there. You gotta know.
That's what they're for.
But
That's what they told me.
come on, man.
Why didn't you let me on first?
You still can't get your little short legs over there.
I'm not. You gotta come close. Okay, come on. Come on, my bust on it.
She is scared as shit. Huh? You look good on that bike, girl. Look how you ride. Look how you ride.
Said what?
It's going real slow.
So I supposed to go. Oh, he's going on the bike. It was going down the hill by itself. I didn't press nothing.
I know what I'm saying.
that one is a hill, so you don't have to go. Okay, smash it. Let me see. You get on that one. You get on that one.
Come on, look at this.
They see me running.
See you running.
Be like, how they do it?
It's a little work out there. Now that's how you ride a four-wheeler. What y'all got on that?
Huh?
Shoot from the curb. Shoot from the curb.
Give me a dollar.
Oh man, what was that?
I don't got no stamina.
Oh, shit, I'm in. That's it. Hey.
Hey, you holding on? So you holding on tight now. Yeah. Better turn around. I'm gonna go through that way. Alright, I'm gonna click the camera back on when we make it back.
Mommy, it's in my shoe. It's in my shoe, Mommy. I got bit. It left me a red mark on me.
Fun.
That nigga said Rose.
Huh? She driving like a lawnmower.
Where?
Oh no, you see, you ain't see the other video. She got into with Aunt Linda. Yeah, she was on. Yeah, I caught the end. She was arguing with Aunt Linda, telling Aunt Linda to get out her way. Because Aunt Linda was holding Raquel. She's talking about, that's my baby. Alright, y'all, you know what I'm saying? We just all had took everybody for a ride. We all rode the 4-wheeler. I got down me, you see. I got a secret that I'm gonna tell y'all. I rode the dirt bike. I almost lost my life. I ain't even gonna lie. I almost lost my life on the bike, man. Nah, for real though. I was going, I got too close to the curve. Curve man. That's my name. Mommy. But yeah, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hold up, wait a minute. This is my cousin right here, right? You know what I'm saying? Hold up. So she running. This is wife. Hey. Nah, but this is my cousin and his wife, man. I'm trying to get them to get on the YouTube bandwagon. You know what I'm saying? They gonna be, it's the Skinner family. You know what I'm saying? Y'all look out for the Skinner family channel. Ain't that what it gonna be? The Skinner family channel. The Skinner clan. It's going in. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what to do before we go. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Click that bell so you can get all post notifications, so whenever we upload, y'all could, you know what I'm saying, get that notification. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Check out Cam. Y'all know what to do, man. Y'all stay tuned, stay safe. We out, alright?